Assembly patterns provide an efficient way to add multiple copies of components to your assemblies. SOLIDWORKS 2020 introduces new enhancements to these productivity features. Pattern-driven component patterns are now more intelligent in that they understand the orientation of hole wizard features that are created with 3D sketches on multiple faces. This means a single pattern can now be used to copy the associated fasteners without the need to skip instances or use multiple patterns. Linear and circular component patterns are now more flexible by allowing you to modify each component instance within the pattern. This includes the ability to change the angle of individual instances within circular patterns or the distance within linear patterns. This gives you ultimate flexibility when you have irregular patterns where non-uniform spacing is required. When mirroring components, sometimes the option to use the center of bounding box or center of mass do not provide the desired results. The new option to use the component origins makes the mirror component command more robust for parts that are not symmetric within the previous two cases. Likewise, the option to change the orientation of mirrored components is now easier to understand with quick access buttons within the Property Manager. Assembly patterns are now easier to create, more flexible in their control, and more intelligent in their execution in SOLIDWORKS 2020.